So whenever you're using Lightroom, what happens is that you have multiple pictures you're working with. So you can see that I have multiple pictures right here, just like this. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then view them out side by side. So right now I only have 5 pictures, but let's say I just want to select 3 of these pictures right here. So let me just go ahead right here, select this, and then hold Shift on my keyboard and then select 3 of them right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, I can actually go around onto survey mode right here, and I can see those 3 pictures together. As you can see right here, I can hold Shift and add one more right here, hold Control and add one more as well, just like this. So let's say, for example, if I don't want this particular picture, then I can simply press on the cross button and I don't have that picture anymore. So using the survey mode, you can see that I can see these pictures side by side right here. So I can go ahead right here, and you can see that I can go ahead and select out these pictures right here by utilizing these arrow keys right here as well, and see it in the navigator. Apart from that, I can also go ahead and use a compare mode. So to access the compare mode, you can go around over here onto the compare view right here, and then you can actually see the selected image right here and another image right here, just like this. I can use the arrow key to actually go ahead and navigate out from the survey mode right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you can see that these 3 photos are selected, so I only have those 3 pictures on the side-by-side mode. I can also go ahead and select another picture, as you can see right here, and then select out another picture as I want for the candidate. All I need to do is select this and then choose the selected picture and then go around onto candidate right here. If you have similar pictures, then this will actually be quite helpful. And if I were to actually go ahead and, let's say, for example, zoom out, zoom in right here, then you can see that I can go ahead and navigate with these photos together right here as well. And that is why they are the comparison view right here. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the compare view and survey view inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.